Hey there, Christopher Thunder here from Rider of the Storm in the World's Dirtiest Workshop. Okay, so I have this INS custom fender here, and the wires here are way too short. I did improve the harness back here, but I never created the length I needed to run the wires up underneath this plastic part, and to that point right there. Yeah, they're suspended in the air, and that's really bad. I could have taken apart this entire fender, and I just didn't. And I don't think I will. I can probably pull those wires through and get the length I need, but at this point, I think I just screwed up and didn't make the whole harness long enough. What you want to do is make sure you test the wiring so you know where the power is. So I'm going to be using this voltmeter here. And once you know where the power isn't, which is at this bulb here, you can actually do a proper diagnostic and make a proper repair. I don't know if the wires are severed here or here, which is where they're joined. I should test both places. So that is my plan for this afternoon. Yeah, I like working on stuff, and that's my thing. So thank you for watching the World's Dirtiest Workshop and Christopher Thunder. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.